sent to you by today. So, welcome to the first session, that is the cloud registration session of the IBM Skillsbuild Mastering Prompt Engineering session. So, make sure all those who are going to register on cloud today, make sure that you use your domain IDs, the SDCSR box domain IDs. So, let's get started. So, let me introduce to the speaker and your trainer for today. His name is Amit Tiwari. Amit Tiwari is an AI consultant and he has a diverse experience in hospitality sector as well as digital marketing. Has been a trainer of IBM Skillsbuild and he has trained over 200 plus master classes and more than 15,000 students. He is the executive director at SN AI and he also bachelor's in electronic engineering with specializes in AI. He is an AI trainer as well as practitioner. So please welcome Amit Tiwari, your speaker for the day, as well as a trainer for the winter certification program. Over to you, Amit.
Thank you so much, Karthik, for this lovely introduction. Hello, everyone, and welcome to this winter certification program from IBM Skillsbuild and CSR Box. I'm so excited to see you all again in this masterclass. This is one of my happy places, and I'm taking masterclasses for IBM Skillsbuild. Thank you so much for those who have joined in on time. Those who have not joined in yet, please ask your teammates and your friends to join in so that we can do and embark on this amazing journey of learning prompt engineering. So, prompt engineering is one of the very uh, popular field that is emerging in AI, and it is in huge demand right now. So we have these amazing AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Gemini, and all these. And to use those AI tools, we need to craft effective prompts. That means that we need to give proper instruction to these AI tools to generate the response from. And that's when prompt engineering comes in picture. And it is very demanding field right now. People who can craft effective prompts, they can get a very handsome salary and they can get a very good job in the future. And also the people who are right there in the companies who are still working, they also need to upskill and upgrade themselves to work with all these AI tools. That means that they also need to learn prompt engineering. So not just for people who are going to be in the job market, also for the people who are already working somewhere, whether it is in AI or whether it is in software industry, they need to learn prompt engineering to make their work faster and to make themselves more effective and efficient. So I welcome you all to this winter certification program from IBM. Thank you so much, CSR Box and IBM, to organize this program. And we are going to have an amazing journey in these next 5 days to come, the days that we are together. I hope that you have already started your course. There is fundamentals of AI and then generative AI in action, which will give you a solid understanding of what you will learn from this masterclass and bootcamp. Boot camps mostly we will do hands-on activities. That means that all the practicals, theory is very less because let's move on. Let's jump on to practicals. Theory that you will learn in from YouTube or from courses or from the lectures that you are doing it on IBM Skillsbuild. All right, so let's jump in. Already my introduction has been given by Karthik. Karthik, thank you so much for introducing me. This is one of my happy spaces when I'm teaching, and I welcome you all to IBM Skills Build Winter Certification Program, an amazing initiative by CSR Box. All right, as you all know, you have registered yourself with IBM Skills Build Winter Certification Program. So you already have got your Winter Certification Program email IDs and passwords. Those who have not got the email IDs and passwords, please don't worry. Our team is actively working to provide all of you the email IDs and passwords. There are 6,000 people who have registered for this winter certification program, and our team is maxed out on providing all these IDs. But they are doing a commendable job. That means that only 30% of people have not, only 10% of people have not received the email IDs. 90% have got their email IDs. So if you are in those 10%, please don't worry. We are working actively to provide you those email IDs. All right. Those who have the email IDs with them, then let's gear up with compute power. And why we need that is that we are going to do all of our work on IBM cloud. That means that we are going to use IBM's cloud capacity to work on these IBM tools and then learn prompt engineering on IBM Prompt Lab. All right. So why we need compute power is that AI needs a lot of compute power to generate responses, right? So let's say I want to design something like ChatGPT. I need very powerful GPUs and CPUs, and I don't have those at home. We also don't have those on our in our colleges and the places that we study, right? Because they require a lot of capital to buy them. So IBM under CSR initiative is giving all this compute power for free, $200 worth softwares. All of these you will be able to use with this winter certification program free for 1 year. Uh, Before registration, we start on IBM Cloud. That means that we have our own IBM Cloud account so that we are working on IBM Cloud with for Prompt Lab. Please make sure that you have a laptop for registration process. And also there is a quick disclaimer that the site might lag sometimes because many of you, 6,000 people of you are registering at the same time. So it might lag a little bit. Please be patient. I will repeat steps 2 times before moving forward and ask questions in the chat box only, no WhatsApp or email, because my team will not be able to answer you. They are all engaged and busy in this masterclass. Please ask questions in the chat box. I will read the chat box questions in between and give me some time to reply to the chat box. If you are stuck anywhere, please use incognito mode. That means that you are switching on to incognito mode, flushing up your cache, and then starting afresh. All right. So please be ready for this. Use a laptop. Please be patient. Ask questions in chat box only. All right. So let's begin with cloud registration. First of all, let's learn about what is cloud. So cloud computing is the delivery of computing services over internet. So let's say that you want to design some AI agent. So let's say you want to design a agent like ChatGPT, but you don't have this compute power at your home. What will you do? So what you will do is you will use cloud computing. That means that you have companies which have infrastructure set up somewhere where they have computers, GPUs, powerful CPUs, RAM, and all these things, and you use that resources using internet. That's what cloud is. All right. So you are delivering these computing services or compute power over the internet. So it includes servers, it includes storage, it includes database, it includes networking, it includes software. So all these things that you require to design your own tools is provided you remotely by using internet, and you are using some very powerful compute architecture which is somewhere in the world, and you are using it remotely using internet. So IBM is one of the leading providers of cloud services, and we will use IBM Cloud, and we will first register ourselves on IBM Cloud in today's session. So let me introduce you to IBM Cloud. So uh, IBM Cloud is one of the major infrastructure from IBM. That means that we have our cloud servers where we have huge compute power, we have powerful CPUs and GPUs, which you will get for free to use under Winter's certification program. And we will design our AI agents in this IBM Cloud. We will do prompt engineering using Prompt Lab from IBM Cloud. So you don't require any ChatGPT paid subscription. You don't require any paid subscription to do prompt engineering, and we are going to do it in IBM Cloud Prompt Lab. So today we are going to introduce to IBM Cloud Prompt Lab, and we are going to register on IBM Cloud. And what we need to do is with IBM Cloud, what you will get you will get a free IBM Cloud account with access to 350 plus products, 40 plus always free products. Like you can design your own chatbot, you can use machine learning, you can do computer vision, all the AI tools that you will be able to use with your IBM Cloud account. And with Winter Certification Program, you'll be able to do prompt engineering on IBM Watson. And that's what $200 of software. That means that IBM sells all these cloud services to business people, and the businesses pay for these cloud services. But because you are a part of Winter Certification Program, you will get all these $200 of what software for free. And it is a completely free registration process. So what we need to do is we need to register to software downloads. and we need to generate the cloud code and create our account on IBM Cloud. And if someone calls you and says that, you have to pay this much amount of money for this cloud registration, please don't entertain them. IBM provides this for free under CSR box, in collaboration with CSR box to people. You don't have to pay for these cloud services. All right, so let's begin our registration. What we need to do is we need to go to skillsbuild.org. I am sure that you might have heard the name or you have gone to skillsbuild.org in your previous section. So what we need to do is we need to go to skillsbuild.org. I'm also doing it parallelly so that you are also following along with me. So once you click on https://skillsbuild.org, so I request you to open a new window in your browser. So go to your browser that you have Chrome or Firefox or whatever browser that you have. So open your browser and type in skillsbuild.org and go to skillsbuild.org. Right. So I'm waiting for some people to go to skillsbuild.org. So once you are there, then we are going to log in to skillsbuild.org. Okay. So let me also quickly do that once I open a browser so that I'm going to share my whole screen. All right. Okay. All right. I hope that I'm sharing the right screen. I think that I'm not. Okay. Hmm. So what you need to do is you need to go to skillsbuild.org. So I'm sharing this link. Those who have, so please, I will copy this link from my slides, and I believe that they are here. So skillsbuild.org, I'm copying the link from here and pasting it in the chat box so that you can directly access it from here. Let me quickly copy it and then paste. All right, so you need to go to skillsbuild.org, log in with this link. Those who have logged into skillsbuild.org, please say done or yes in the chat box. I'll be really grateful if you paste done or yes in the chat box so that it sets up the pace for the class. Thank you, Radhika. Thank you, Gunpreet. Thank you, Supriya. Thank you, Prerna. Thank you, Parth. I'm seeing a lot of repeating names from my previous boot camps. I welcome you all to this class also. Ritik, thank you so much. Thank you, Ayush. All the new people, those who have joined in, I congratulate you for taking a step towards your learning journey. All right, so I will also go to skillsbuild.org using the link, and it will show like this. What you need to do is you need to log in and simply just log in to college software downloads. Okay, so click on login and go to college software downloads and log in from there. This you have done in your previous masterclass, right? So the first session when you were doing this, you logged into College Software Downloads, and here you put in winter certification ID. So I have this by the name of bootcamp@sbcsrbox.com. So your ID will be something, something, some number @sbcsrbox.com. So click in, put in your academic institution ID and then submit. And okay, because a lot of people are registering at the same time, it might take some time. All right, so it is also giving me saying something is wrong with this. Let me submit it one more time. So need to be patient with this while registering. And yes, because a lot of people are doing it together, so it might crash because the registration process needs to be done from the backend, and IBM team will work to process all of these. And a lot of people, when they are logging together, it might crash sometime. So let's see if I'm able to log in right now. So you go to the site called IBM Skillsbuild and you log in with your bootcamp ID. So your spcsrbox.com ID, your winter certification. All right. Okay, so still waiting for me to log in. If you are stuck like this, then what you can do is you can go to a new incognito window and go to skillsbuild.org. And here you need to log in and log in to college software download and then sorry, log in. And then I log in using my bootcamp ID, that is your winter certification of program ID, which is @sbcsrbox.com. Okay. Those who have not got the email, you need to just look at the steps. And once uh, you are getting your IDs, you can log in to Skillsbuild. All right, I think that it is having some problems. So let me use some other ID to log in, which is I have one more ID. Skillsbuild.org. And I'm logging in to College Software Downloads, and I'm login. And let me log in through, let's say, a different one.
Hi Amit, you have been given a new ID for the login.
Yeah, but then I will have to create the account for that. So I'm avoiding that process. Uh, can I directly log in with this ID? Is that like made? Okay, and let me get it from there. Nonetheless, I'll show you the steps. I have those on my PPT as well. So if you are logged in, what you will do is you'll go to this college software downloads, and then you put in your ID, which is xyz@sbcsrbox.com, and then you submit. And then you will see that your academic institution email is something @sbcsrbox.com, and your institution name is CSR Box Foundation, right? Um, and then choose your role as this you have already done, right? This is you have done last time. And once you log in, you will see something like this. So once you log in, you will see a page like this. So if you are seeing a page like this, then please paste done or yes in the chat box so that we are at the right pace. If you see a page like this, okay, after logging in, you're logged into this. Okay, a lot of people are getting error, but some people have finally got it open. But if you have logged into this field, this page, please let me know. A lot of people are saying that login is not happening because the site is not working because a lot of people are logging in together. And that will be the case because a lot of us are doing it at the same time. Let me also uh, use my other to log in again, right? A lot of people can access, and let's say I log in again using the ID. If anyone has been able to log in, please let me know. If anyone in the session has been able to log in. Jayesh is saying that he has been able to log in, and a lot of people are getting problem. Aniket, sorry, Parth is login, and Krishnam is experiencing error like this, and then after that it is showing errors. All right, so let's wait for some more time because I will ask the team from the back end to resolve this issue. Just give me a moment. I'll ask the team to resolve this. So the steps, if somebody wants me to repeat the steps are here where, so what you need to do is you need to go to sbcsrbox.com here like this, and skillsbuild.org, and then you have to log into college software downloads, and then whatever your winter certification program, some number WCP at the rate sbcsrbox.com, you have to type in like that, and then it will open a page which looks like this. Okay, so it will look like this, and that's the first step, logging into IBM Skills Build student software downloads. From here, we will register on IBM Cloud.
Hey Amit, can you please repeat the registration process one more time?
Okay, so whole registration process.
Yes.
Okay, so the people, those who have not registered, right? All right, so the people, those who have not registered, what we need to do is we need to register ourselves on IBM Cloud. So what you need to do is you need to go to skillsbuild.org and go to college software downloads. And from there, you need to click login. So your academic institution ID, it will ask you like this, and you have to put in your academic institution ID and then click on submit. So once you submit, it will take on to you to a page like this to register, and it will show you an academic institution ID like XYZ at the rate sbcsrbox.com, and the institution name as CSR Box Foundation. Okay, so if you are seeing a page like this, please say yes or done in the chat box. If you are seeing a page like this, if you are not seeing a page like this, also let me know. Ayush Gupta is seeing a page like this. The people who have not logged in are seeing a page like this. All right. So if you are seeing a page like this, also you need to register to IBM Skills Build. That means that you were not registered in yesterday's masterclass. So what we need to do is we need to select our role. So please select your role as student here, and the degree as Bachelor of Engineering, whatever you are doing right now. So if you are doing Bachelor of Engineering, then Bachelor of Engineering. If you are doing Bachelor of Arts, then it is Arts. Whatever degree that you are doing right now, select the current degree here, and then choose short degree, which is Master of Science. So you can select that degree also from here. Then the graduation date, whenever you are graduating, let's say it's 2025, then please select here. Then month of the graduation, let's say it is May, and then department, whatever department or whatever the role that the branch that you are having, please enter it here. Click on enroll me to the IBM batch program and click on yes here. You will have to read these terms and conditions, accept these from here, privacy consent, and accept it from here, and then click on register to register yourself on the IBM Skills Build platform. So to get the access to IBM Cloud, you need to first be a part of IBM Skills Build platform that you will use your bootcamp, the winter certification program ID to register. All right. So once you click on proceed, it will say thank you for registering to IBM Skills Build, and it will show you things like this. And after that, if you are having any error, you will remove that by going to new incognito mode or by deleting your browsing data from here. Okay, so sometimes what happens is it takes up the cache and it will show you steps that you are still stuck somewhere. And then you can, I will also do this to solve my error. Once it is solved, then it will take you to this window which says IBM Skillsbuild software downloads, and it asks you some account information. So here you need to put in your business email like xyz@sbcsrbox.com. You need to set up a strong password which should have one capital letter, one small letter, some numbers, and then your first name and last name, and the country should be India, and then click on next to go to the next option. Here you will put on the company name as CSR box and then click on next to create your account. Okay, so to create your account, you will be given a 7-digit code to your mail ID. You will need to open your mail. Once you open your mail, you will see a mail from IBM like this, and you will put on the code from IBM to register here. Okay, and you will click on create account to create your account, and then once you proceed, it will again send you an email, and once you verify, it will take you to a page which looks like this. All right. So if you have been able to create your IBM Skills Build account, you just need to follow all the steps. If you have been able to create your IBM Skills Build account, you will just log in to IBM Skills Build and this page will open. So if you have been able to log in, please let me know if you have been able to log in. A lot of people are still getting the error. The same error I am also getting. Let me check uh, one more time if it is resolved or not. Some people are still at the step when they have to write in a company name. So in a company name, you have to write in CSR box. Okay. All right. So let me log in from some other account and let's see if we can log in. Business mail will be the same mail that you got, the sbcsrbox.com. Okay. So IBM ID and the password would be the same your bootcamp, your winter certification program ID. Still getting errors here. Mm, Password you need to set up. Okay. All right. Let me. Yes. So a lot of people are sending me the screenshots. They are having the same error. Something went wrong. Please try again. I think the servers are not responding right now, and this is one of the common errors that we get. Even I'm not able to log in with my ID. I will take some time, some pause, and I will resolve this issue from the backend. So I will return back in the next 2 minutes once I talk to the team about this issue and get it resolved. Right. So please be patient for 2 minutes. If you are able to log in, then uh, let me know in the chat box. If you are not, then I will resolve this issue from the backend. Right. All right, so we are live again. I have talked to the backend team. They are resolving this issue. Let me check one more time if we are able to log in now. So Gargi has logged in. Thank you so much, Gargi, for letting me know. And let me check. A lot of people are still registering. So short degree is the degree that you need to continue after this degree. So let me just submit it one more time. Let's see if we are able to log in now. Okay, so the issue is resolved. So you can log into IBM now. The team has worked. Thank you so much, those who listen to the queries, and we are now able to log in. So in this login, so your IBM ID is the same ID that you received as a winter certification program ID. And after that, click on continue and put in your password that you generated. So like a strong password that you have generated, and then click on login. And okay, so it needs to be. Oh, sorry, I think I'm not sharing the right screen. Let me share the right screen now. And the screen is this. Okay, so let me log into this, and still I'm getting errors. I think I can log in with my bootcamp ID. All right, so you need to go to skillsbuild.org, and from there you click on login and call it software downloads, and then click on login, put in your sbcsrbox.com ID, and then submit it. I think sbcsrbox.com ID is now able to log in. So you can log in like this. You can click on continue. You need to put in your password, which for me is this is the password that you used to create the IBM Skills Build account. The same password you will use here, and it will redirect you to a page which looks like this. All right. So if you are at this page, you are seeing this page, then you are at the right place. Those who are not able to log in, please log in one more time. I think that also please use incognito mode. I got a message from my team that now we are getting a lot of cache. So please clear your cache by going to this option here, delete browsing data, and then clear your cache here. Okay, so just the cache, image, and file. Just clear this, and once you clear this, you'll be able to log in to IBM Skills Build software downloads, which looks like this. All right. So if you are not able to clear the cache, you can also use incognito mode. A lot of people are already on the process where they are registering. So let me help you in registering by repeating the steps one more time. Okay. So you will be here. You enter your academic institution ID, you sign up, and using call software download, and you enter your academic institution ID, submit. It will show you a window like this. Your role should be of student. Your current degree is the degree that you are doing. Short degree is the degree that you will do after this. Graduation date would be 2025. Month would be Jan, Feb, March, whatever the month is. Department would be computer science and engineering. And then enroll me in the batch program. You can opt for yes. After that, you read the software download terms of services, and uh, you give the consent for the privacy. And after that, you proceed. It will say thank you for registering. Now, if your BCA degree is not listed, then just do Bachelor of Science and then Computer Science. All right. So similar degree to what you are doing right now. Okay. So a lot of people are saying that my degree is not listed. Even BTech is not listed. So Bachelors of Science and whatever field that you have right now. And here, your business email will be the same, your winter certification program email, and the password you need to put in a strong password. First name, what is it, whatever your name is, and your last name, and the country. and then submit to uh, to create your account. And your company name will be CSR Box. Okay, you are doing a winter certification program with CSR Box, so you put in CSR Box as a company name. Click on next, and you will receive a 7-digit code to your ID, which is which is your winter certification ID. Okay, and to log into winter certification or ID, you will need to go to mail.sbcsrbox.com, right? Mail.sbcsrbox.com, and here you need to log in. And once you log in, you will see uh, your uh, a code which looks like this, and then when you put that code, you will be able to log in. Okay. So once you log in, it will look like this. The page will look like this. Okay, I will show you how my page looks like. Right now, I am logged into IBM Skillsbuild. Okay, so to log into IBM Skillsbuild, if I repeat it one more time, and go to skillsbuild.org and click on login, and Arca is getting this another IBM ID. You will need to clear your cache. Please clear your cache and the history. Your passcode will be sent to this SBCSRbox mail, right? mail.sbcsrbox.com. Okay, so let's move on after this. Okay, so you will log into this page, and some of you will be seeing something like this. Okay, so if you are seeing something like this, you need to scroll up. That's it. That's all what you have to do. Okay. All right. So now, if you are logged into as software downloads, we need to register on IBM Cloud. Okay. So to register on IBM Cloud, what we need to do is go to this left-hand side where there is IBM Cloud mentioned. Okay. You can see my screen. Go to the left-hand side where IBM Cloud is mentioned. Okay. So click on IBM Cloud, and you will see all the softwares of IBM Cloud. So on the left side, click on IBM Cloud, and you will see this IBM Cloud dashboard. From here, you need to click on IBM Cloud feature code. Okay, so IBM Cloud feature code, click on this option, and then click on request feature code. Okay, and your promo code will be generated. So once you click on request feature code, a promo code will be generated here. Okay, I'll show you from my slides how it looks like. So uh, after you log in and you can see a page like this, you can go on this left hand side and click on IBM Cloud here, and then click on Cloud Feature Code like this, IBM Cloud Feature Code, and clicking on IBM Cloud Feature Code will take you to a Request Feature Code option, and you click on Request Feature Code, and it will show you a 32-digit promo code. So why we are generating this promo code is we will use this promo code to register ourselves on IBM Cloud. So IBM Cloud is not free for everyone. So you need to generate a coupon code, which is a $200 worth coupon code, and then you will be able to log into IBM Cloud for free, right? So this is the process why we are doing this. So I will repeat this process one more time. So first of all, you need to log in to IBM Skillsbuild, skillsbuild.org, and then after that, you need to log in to with your winter certification program ID and your password, and you will see a page like this. Okay, and after that, you go to IBM Cloud here on the left window, and you click on IBM Cloud feature code, and after that, you click on request feature code, and your promo code will be generated here. All right. So you click on copy code here. That's it. That's what you need to do right now. And that's the second step. So first step was logging into IBM Skills Build software downloads. And the second step is to generate this promo code. Once your promo code is generated, you just click on copy. Okay. A lot of people are saying that they are still registering on IBM Skills Build, and they are saying that their department is not there. So even if your department is not there, please select something which is near. So let's say you have electronics and communication engineering, which is not there. So you can select electronics engineering from the department, right? So it's not very mandatory to choose whatever degree that you are doing right now should be enlisted there. So you need to just select the one which is very close to that degree. Okay, those who are still working on registering to Skillsbuild right now, those who have registered to Skillsbuild and are at this platform right now, what they need to do is they need to go to this left panel, click on IBM Cloud, generate IBM Cloud feature code, and then request feature code, and it will be generated the 32-digit feature. Okay, and uh, so some people are saying that the page is not scrollable. They can refresh the page and then the page will load. Okay, so a lot of people might also be seeing something like this. Okay, and they don't need to scroll it down. Okay, so they need to scroll it up. All right, and if they are not able to scroll this page, then they need to refresh it and then they will be able to scroll this. Okay. In company name, you have to write CSR box. A lot of people are asking me on the chat box that you are company. Okay. Supriya has tried refreshing and she's still getting uh, the error. Then Supriya, I will ask you to log into in an incognito mode or use Google Chrome as the browser. Okay. So IBM Cloud option is on the right panel. So click on IBM Cloud and click on IBM Cloud feature code and request feature code. So you request feature code and you will be able to see your feature code. I am not able to see it because I already have generated that code. You will be able to see that feature code here. Okay. Uh, Okay, so if you are saying the services are down, if you're saying then please try it again because a lot of people are doing it at the same time, then that's why it is giving some errors. Okay, next steps. Okay, let's move on to next steps. For the people, IBM is not the company name, CSR Box is the company name. Piali is asking me what is the company name, CSR Box is the company name. Okay, it is only for people those who are registering on IBM Skills Build till now. Okay, those who have not registered in IBM Skills Build. For those who have registered, they must be seeing something like this. Okay. And let me move to my slides again. And after this, so if you have completed second step, that means that you have generated the cloud code. Can you please let me know by saying done or yes on the chat box so that I know that a lot of people are have done this. Okay, thank you so much, Payal. Thank you, Krishna. Thank you, Ratin. Thank you, Padma. Thank you so much, Jami, Krishna, Dwanil, Astha. Prerna, still you have to do. I understand. Those who are not able to scroll, can you please log into in an incognito window? Okay. Thank you, Ashraf. Thank you, Arpita. Those who are having a error like another IBM ID has already been used in this application, please clear your browser's cache memory, and then log in with a new IBM ID. Okay. Uh, Arpita has logged in with a ID which you are not authorized to access data. Okay. So I think Arpita, you already have made your cloud account. So you need to use the new ID that is being given to you by CSR Box to log in here. Okay. So Arpita, you are logging in from a previous ID. Those who have already done boot camp, if you are logging in again with your previous ID, then again this will not generate a promo code. Okay, so you have to generate the promo code with the new ID. Those who have not got the email ID, my team is working um, to give you the email ID. Okay. Sarmita is asking what is the company name. The company name is CSR Box. Please type in. Okay. All right, for those who have registered, let's move on to register on IBM Cloud. Those who are not able to scroll the page after login, they need to either do it on Google Chrome with a new incognito window, and they need to clear their browser cache before logging in. Okay. All right, so if you have logged into the ID and also have got the promo code, here your promo code will look like this. Your promo code is 32. Okay. Uh, all right, so Yes is saying that cleared the cache, still it is not working. Okay, all right. Okay, okay, okay. Hmm. All right, so let me just repeat the steps one more time. Okay, so if you have been stuck, uh, yeah, repeat the promo code process. All right, okay. So you are logged into this page, and this page you have to scroll up, okay, not down. Scroll up and then click on IBM Cloud here on the left panel. Yeah, okay, IBM Cloud on the left panel, and then you click on IBM Cloud feature code here. IBM Cloud and then IBM Cloud feature code and then request feature code. Okay, request feature code, and then you need to copy the code. All right. Um, Tawfiq is asking me a question that password, you need to put in a strong password uh, that is that should have the uh, first capital letters and all these things that you do to make a strong password. Okay. So if you have completed the first step, then let's move on to register ourselves on IBM Cloud, where we will be using IBM Cloud from tomorrow to generate to do prompt engineering. Okay, so to log into IBM Cloud, what we need to do is we need to go to cloud.ibm.com. Okay, link is in the description. So link is here on the meeting group chat. So cloud.ibm.com. Okay, so cloud.ibm.com. You need to go to this link. Let me just go to this link again. Cloud.ibm.com. Okay, I will paste the link. So I am not pasting the link because yeah. So for people, those who have generated the code, right? The promo code that we generated here, cloud promo code, right? Those who have generated the code, you go to this link that I have pasted on the group, cloud.ibm. Okay, so you go to cloud.ibm.com. And once you go to cloud.ibm.com, you will see something which looks like this. All right. Now you have to click on this create an account option. Create an account option here on the IBM Cloud page. So click on create an account option. And after that, you log in with your spcsrbox.com ID. Okay. So those who have got the 32-digit promo code, you click on this cloud.ibm.com that I have pasted on the group chat, and then you log in with your spcsrbox.com ID. Okay, so something something at the rate spcsrbox.com, and you log in with this. Okay, and after logging in, you will see that a green check mark will be there. When you enter your email, you will see a green check mark. That means that you have been registered, right? And then click on next here with your winter certification ID. Then click on next. Put your verify your email. Your verification will be sent to a winter certification program ID. So you will need to go to again this mail.sbcsrbox.com, right? And here you will be uh, seeing your uh, 6-digit OTP. So it's kind of like OTP that goes to mail.sbcsrbox.com. Again, I'm repeating. So you go to cloud.ibm.com, and after that you put in your email ID. Your email ID will be your @sbcsrbox.com ID, whatever you have received. Okay, it will be 123 WCP @1 sbcsrbox.com. Okay, something like that. The winter certification program ID that you received. Okay, and then click on next, and it will send you a verification mail to your winter certification program ID, which looks like this. The mail will look like this. It will be a 7-digit code. Okay. And you don't have to write anything in account information. Please don't get ahead of me. If you go ahead of me, then you will be seeing a credit card information that you have to put. Okay, so you don't need to put anything there. Okay. Um Mansi is saying that she can't log into SCSR website. So you will be getting your winter certification program ID soon. So once you get your winter certification program ID, then you can follow these steps to log into IBM Cloud. Okay. So I go to this verification code and I copy this 7-digit code and I paste it here and I click on next, and it will say that it is verified. And once you continue, it will ask you to log in. So you log in with your bootcamp ID and sorry, winter certification program ID, and you put in your password. And then here, when it says account information, you need to register with a code. Okay. This is the most important step. If you have moved on, if you suppose, let's say you have clicked on next, then click on edit here somewhere, so that you need to register with a code. So what we need to do is we don't need to provide any credit card information here. What we need to do is we need to register with a code, the 32-digit code that you have got in your skills build platform here, right? So the feature code that you have got here, you have to copy this and paste it here once you click on register with a code. Okay. I will repeat the process. Okay. So this you have to only do once. So you don't need to repeat it again and again. You only need to do once. And I will also share the PPT. I will also share the video of the recording. I will also share everything that you need to register yourself so that you are ready with IBM Cloud before we move on to the hands-on activities. Okay. So click on register with a code. And once you click on register with a code, you will receive something like this, and you copy and paste the code here, and give this code from the other window. You copy this code and you paste this code here and click on create account, and it will show that the code was applied successfully. I will repeat these steps. Don't worry, I will repeat it one more time so that you all are logging in. Okay, so once code is applied successfully, you will log into IBM Cloud, which looks like this. Okay, you can just skip this step, and you will see a dashboard like this. Okay, so if anyone has followed account and logged into IBM Cloud, please say done in the chat box so that I know if someone has followed what I was saying. Okay, if you have not done, I will repeat the steps one more time. Thank you so much, Aryan, for following all the steps. Thank you, Tushar. Um, Thank you, Kaushik. You have repeated. Okay, let me repeat it one more time. I will repeat it from the start, from the scratch. Okay. So first, what we need to do is we need to register on. We need to log into IBM Skillsbuild. Okay, skillsbuild.org. So skillsbuild.org. You go to. I will also do it with you. Let me just do it one more time. So skillsbuild.org, and you need to go to this site and copy this. I am pasting this on the meeting group chat. Skillsbuild.org. You need to log in and log in as a college software download. Okay, here, college software downloads, login, and log in with your sbcsrbox.com winter certification program ID. It will look something like this, right? It will look like, let's say, 123 WCP at the rate, WCP at the rate CSRbox, sbcsrbox.com. Okay, this ID. So I have my own ID, which is the instructor ID, which looks like this. I will log in with that. And after you log in, you will see something like this page. Okay. Oh, yeah. A lot of people must be getting this kind of error. Okay. If you are getting this kind of error, let's see how we can resolve this. To resolve this, you go to your delete browsing data and you clear all the cache, image, and file. Okay. Browsing history, cache, image, and file. You clear everything. And once it is cleared, okay, once it is cleared, then let's log in. Okay, to skillsbuild.org. and log in and Color Software downloads. A lot of people will be getting some errors. I will resolve those errors one more time. Okay. After I log in, I will resolve those errors. So some people are getting errors which might say two-factor authentication errors. Okay, so I will also address to those errors and how to resolve them. Okay, now yeah, so with my ID, I log in and I put in my ID, I put in my password, which I generated yesterday. Yeah, I logged in. And once I log in, I will see, oh, very nice. So what I need to do is I need to close this. I need to open the browser one more time. Okay, and open the browser. I have cleared the cache, skillsbuild.org. Login as a Color Software download, and with my academic ID, which is the bootcamp at the rate, whatever, the 123 WCP at the rate sbcsandbox.com, and log in with the password. Okay, it will show that I have successfully signed in. Now, a lot of people have already signed in here. So you need to go to this left panel where you see IBM Cloud, and you click on IBM Cloud, and then you click on IBM Cloud feature code and request the feature code. Okay, so it will request your feature code. It will show a code like this. You copy this from here. Okay, so once you copy the feature code, you log into cloud.ibm.com. Okay, and here you click on create an account. This option, create an account option. Here you click on create an account, and once you click on create an account, you will put in your email, the same ID that you got. So let's say, okay, and then press enter. It says that already registered, but for you, it will show you a green tick like this. Okay. So once you see a green tick like this, okay, and what you will need to do now is it will send you a verification code to your bootcamp ID. Okay. And after that, it will, when you put in this 7-digit code and click next and click continue, it will ask you to log in to the ID. So you put in your ID again and you put in your password. And after this, it will give, it will say register with a PIN. Some of you might be experiencing this error. Okay, I'll show you this one. Okay, some of you might be experiencing this error, multi-factor authentication enrollment. For this, you just need to select email here. You just need to select email, and after that, it will send you a OTP to your email. Okay, this is just for security purposes, just like it happens on Google. So you just need to click on email and then give your email and then click on done. Okay, I'll repeat again from a little bit slower so that some people are requesting me to be a little slow. Okay, so once you generate a promo code, you move ahead. You go to cloud.ibm.com. I paste the link again. Okay, cloud.ibm.com. IBM.com, and you need to go to this cloud.ibm.com. I hope that I paste the right link, which is this. Okay, to every cloud.ibm. Okay, and you need to log in with your sbcsrbox.com mail. A lot of people miss something like SBCSR box, man, they will miss O, and then they will say that they are having error. So please note that SBCSR box is written in full spelling. Okay, and then after that, what you need to do is You need to click on next. And once you click on next, it will send you a verification code. Okay, it will send you a verification code to your SBCSR box mail. It will look like this. Okay, there will be a 7-digit code. You copy that code and paste it here and click next. Okay, and then you will click on continue and you log in with your bootcamp ID. Some of you will be getting a multi-factor authentication error. Some of you, okay, not everyone, but the page will look like this. All right, and here you need to select the email as your one-time access. Okay, so email as the one-time access. Once you click on email and select done, then your email will be selected as your page where your OTP will go every time. Okay, so if you forget your password or if you are not able to log in, you can always uh, do that. All right. So for multi-factor authentication, you just need to click on email and then click done from there. All right. And after you log into IBM Cloud, you will click on register with a code. Okay. Here you don't need to click on next. Here, if you have clicked on next, then you need to edit it from here. यहाँ पे एक edit option आएगा. You click on edit and register with a code. Okay. And register with a code and then enter the code, the 32-digit code, and copy it from this and enter it here, and then click on create account. And code was applied successfully, and then you can skip this step. Those who are getting authentication page, multi-factor authentication page, just click on email, press done, and then it will be fine. Okay. All right, so once we are at the dashboard, congratulations, you are at the right place. And here, Krishnam Verma is sending me this screenshot. Here, you have to click on register with a code and click on register with a code and enter the 32-digit code. Okay, at this time. All right. Bilal is saying that uh, okay, so there is some error with this. Hmm. Okay, what you need to do is you need to clear your cache, Bilal, and then enter your email. Clear a cache, close your browser, and then log into IBM Cloud. It will be removed. Okay. Uh, so if you are on dashboard, congratulations. We will work on IBM Cloud dashboard tomorrow when we begin our masterclass 1. So this is a pre-masterclass session where we are registering on IBM Skillsbuild and IBM Cloud both. And once we are done with registering to IBM Cloud, we are seeing this dashboard. From tomorrow, we will start our prompt engineering. That means writing effective prompts and getting the desired results. Okay. So those who have registered on IBM Cloud and those who are seeing this kind of window, then what you need to do is the final steps I will tell, and then I will resolve all the errors that people are getting. Okay. So the final steps that you are going to do is you are going to go on this top right option and click on this profile page here. Okay, profile page, and you will see this profile page where your email ID will be there and your name will be there. Okay, you have to take a screenshot of this. Okay, it is very important to take a screenshot of this. And once we send you an attendance form on the WhatsApp group, you will have to upload this on that attendance form. Okay, so you have to upload the screenshot of this page to that attendance form. So that will give us a rain check of how many of you have been able to register. If you have not been able to register, then we will help you out in some way or the other. Okay, so take a screenshot of this page, very important, and attach it on your attendance form. Okay. So next masterclass will be Prompt Engineering Masterclass 1, where we'll be crafting effective prompts and we will be learning how to write proper prompts and do prompt engineering on them. Okay, it will be a 5-day workshop. So those who have been able to register on IBM Cloud and those who have been able to click a screenshot of your profile with your name, your user ID, and your email. So I'll show you how it looks like. So if I go to my IBM Cloud account, okay, so on the top right corner, there is a option of profile. And once you go on profile, you will see what your ID is, what your name is, and all. And there you need to take a screenshot and then paste it, upload it on the attendance form, which we will circulate on the WhatsApp groups. So here you have to go and click on profile, and here you will see your user ID, your email, and your name. Okay, so you have to take a screenshot of this and then upload that. All right. Thank you so much. Those who have been able to log in and take a screenshot, you can drop from this masterclass because you those for the people, please say done or yes in chat and then drop so that I know how many people have been registered. I'll meet you tomorrow on my first masterclass where we will be crafting effective prompts. Thank you so much, Rohit, Anamika, Rahul, Padmashri, Manasvi, Yash, those who have logged into IBM Skillsbuild and on cloud. Thank you so much. It had been lovely today. Please take a screenshot of your profile. We will be using that to upload it on the attendance today. Okay. Now, if you have issues, I'll be here for the next 30 minutes or so that we can resolve those issues. Okay. So Sahasra is getting this error where he's applying this code, and this code is not generated, right? This is not the code. It will be something like 32-digit code. Okay. So what you need to do is you need to go back to this site, IBM Skillsbuild software download, refresh it, and then request
Hey
feature code.
Amit,
So yeah, so your feature
uh,
code should look like this.
students
Yeah.
should not leave now. We have to take attendance.
Okay. Sure, sure. Attendance form, I said that we will circulate on WhatsApp group. So if if they have uh, if they have got from the WhatsApp group, they can do it from there. But yeah, if you want it to be circulated here itself, we can do it right now also.
Can I take
Yeah.
a few
So
minutes
the
from you to present?
yes, please, please. Here is the attendance form Ritu has shared. So please fill in your attendance from here. And if you are not doing it here, then you have to do it from the WhatsApp groups. Okay. All right, so I'll be resolving queries of the people who are here. And if you are here and you have done, you can also get it from the attendance form. You can register it. You can click on the attendance form link that Rutu has shared, and then you can do it from there itself. And Darshit is getting some error like this, that he has this profile of academia and not Sri Mahakal Charitable Trust. So, Darshit, I will let the team know about how to resolve this issue. And yeah, I will let the team know. I think that during the registration process, there was uh, some discrepancy. That's why you have been seeing this as a sponsoring organization. But I will let the team know and resolve this issue. Okay. Screenshot you have to take of the account. Okay, so here IBM Cloud user, you have to go to this top right corner and you have to click on profile, and it will show you this and your profile screenshot you have to take. Okay, you can also upload your photo here and you can also make your profile more personal. After logging in, you have to take the screenshot of this for putting it on the Google form, which is the attendance form. Okay, so I will show you how to put it there. So you have this form, the attendance form, which looks like this, and you just put in your full name, your gender, your ID, your domain ID, and password, your domain ID, name of the college, contact number, and attach screenshot of your cloud profile, which is here. Right. So you just need to add file, which looks like this. Everything is mentioned in this link. So the link has been shared. The attendance form link has been shared on the chat box. Also, it will be shared on the WhatsApp groups and your email IDs. So please check your email IDs and WhatsApp group to put in your attendance. Remember that attendance is compulsory. You will need to attend at least 80% of the master classes to get the winter certification program certificate. Okay, so you need to do all the master classes to get your certification. So attendance is very, very crucial. So you need to put in the attendance once it is circulated in the WhatsApp groups. Recorded class link will also be shared to you on the WhatsApp group. Also, this is also on YouTube Live, so you can also go and check it from there. Okay. Sahasra is not getting this IBM Cloud feature code. So what I will request you, Sahasra, is to close your browser, clear your cache, close your browser, and do it again. So I was also not receiving it previously, and then once I closed my browser and cleared the cache, I received. Okay, so repeat the process. Close your browser, clear the cache. Okay. Radhika is asking me to repeat steps from the IBM Cloud login. Okay, so I will be repeating the steps one more time for everyone. Okay. So if you are at the cloud login, then what you need to do is you need to go to cloud.ibm.com. Let me repeat everything from the scratch. Okay, so you log into CSR skillsbuild.org. You will see a page like this. On the left hand side, you will click on IBM Cloud, and then you request a cloud feature code, and you copy this 32 digit. Okay, and you copy the code from there. And after copying the code, you go to cloud.ibm.com and you click on this option and you put in your spcsrbox.com ID. And once you put it there, you click on next. And after that, it will send you a verification code to your mail ID. Your mail ID will look like this. Okay, mail.sbcsrbox.com. Okay, mail.sbcsrbox.com. It will look like this. And then you have to log in there with your winter certification program ID. Okay. And from here, you need to put in the code. Okay. The 7-digit code. Yes. So 7-digit code and then click on next. And it will take you to this page where you need to register with a code here. If you are here, then you don't need to go to company personal. You need to register with a code. If you have clicked on next by clicking on a company, तो उसके बाद आपको कंपनी इंफॉर्मेशन बोलेगा, राइट? तो अगर कंपनी इंफॉर्मेशन पूछ रहा है, so you need to click on edit here. यहाँ पे एक edit option आएगा. Click on edit, register with a code, and then copy that code. ओके, क्लिक ऑन एडिट, रजिस्टर विद कोड. अगर आपने ये गलती से नेक्स्ट कर दिया, राइट, कंपनी और पर्सनल में नेक्स्ट कर दिया है, so you edit it and register with a code. All right. So if you have yeah, you will have a recorded video of this session. Sri Krishna is saying that she mistakenly did not choose create account. No worries. If even if you have not chosen create account, it will create an account for you because you have not been registered yet, right? Yes, business ID is same as domain ID. And now you can log out from IBM Cloud. Yes, please put in attendance. If you have not been able to do it, you can also do it from the recorded lectures. Um, it it is mandatory to attach the screenshot. So please do it later. Even if you are not able to do it in the masterclass itself, please do it later. Give a screenshot and attach it to the attendance form. Okay. So if you are not able to do it right now, then do it later by seeing the recorded lectures and then attaching the screenshot of the process. Okay. After entering the code, you click on next, create account. And once you click on create account, you will see that your code was applied successfully and you will see this dashboard. Okay. So if you are seeing this dashboard, that means that you are registered on IBM Cloud. All right. Once you are registered on IBM Cloud, then you are ready to make your first prompt lab session, which we will do tomorrow. So please, if you are in this session, if you are attending this winter certification program, then please be sure that you are registering to the dashboard IBM Cloud and seeing this dashboard so that we can directly from tomorrow work on IBM Cloud. Okay. If you're done, you can leave. Yes, please. mark your
Amit, can I
attendance,
take a
and
few
then we.
minutes to
Yes,
address the
please.
students?
Yeah, please, please, please. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Karthik. You can take it.
So, hello everyone. I hope you had a great session and hope you learned a lot. But since a lot of students were registering on IBM Cloud at the same time, some of you were not able to register. This happens sometimes due to the heavy traffic. So, I will help you how you can complete your cloud registration, get your feature code. So, let me start by letting you know that make sure that you use your domain IDs, your SBCSR domain IDs. And then the first step that you have to take is go to this particular link. This link is a link to the IBM cloud backend where you will be able to share what your error is. To give you an example, when you either scan this QR code or use this link, you will land on this page. So this page is
Karthik, you
a
will
page
need
that
to share
offers you
your
offline
screen.
feature codes.
Yeah, the
So
screen.
So when you scan this QR code or you use that link, you will reach this particular page. This particular page will help you resolve your cloud queries. Please enter your domain ID over here and make sure that you use your SBC box domain ID. Error 403 is one of the very common errors that you might get. If you are receiving that error, simply click on this checkbox. Your partner name campaign is CSR box. Please make sure that you use that name. And if you're receiving any other error other than error 403, you uncheck this and put in your information here. After you have put in all the information, please click on submit and your cloud query will be stored and it will be resolved very soon and you will receive your cloud feature code. Now, once you have received your domain ID, and I want to also mention that all those students who have not yet received their domain IDs, they will receive their domain IDs by the end of today. So please don't worry if you do not have not received your domain IDs, you will receive them very soon. Use those domain IDs to register on cloud, as well as if you are not able to register or not able to receive the feature code, make sure you scan this QR code or use this particular link to visit this website where you can resolve your cloud query. Share your email ID where the partner name is CSR box and put in your information error here, or if your error is error 403, simply click the checkbox. After that, once you have created your cloud account, to mark yourself present, please use this. This is the QR code for the attendance form as well as the link. Please scan this QR code and the link. When you scan this particular QR code, you will land on this page. On this page, as it says, please enter your name, your gender, and in this particular section, the registered email ID. This is where you do not use your domain ID. This is the registered email ID that you used to register for the winter certification program. Please enter your registered email ID. It could be the Gmail ID or your student ID. And after that, let us know if you have received your domain ID or password. And if you have, please enter your domain ID, then other information. So please use this particular QR code to mark your attendance and this particular QR code to resolve your cloud queries. you will receive the recording for this entire session, so you can use this to later register on cloud. You will also receive the QR codes as well as the domain IDs for the cloud resolving platform as well as the attendance form. So all those who have completed the process have marked their attendance. You can leave now. Those who have not marked their attendance, please use this attendance sheet. Please use this to mark your attendance. So in the end, I want to thank Amit. Thank you, Amit, for conducting this great session.
Thank
We
you so much,
all were able
Karthik.
to learn a lot.
All right, so still I'm getting some queries. I will resolve the queries for the next 5 minutes. Pratham is saying that where do we need to go after generating the promo code? We need to go to cloud.ibm.com. Okay, so you need to go to cloud.ibm.com to register yourself, and the steps will look like this: cloud.ibm.com, and you put in your winter certification program ID, domain ID, and then verify your email and register with a code here. And you have to paste the code here and then click on next, and then you will reach to this dashboard. Right. So I'll be sending a recorded video of the steps on how you can register on IBM Cloud. Also, the team will be sharing this PPT so that you can follow all the steps and do it yourself. Again, tomorrow will be your first masterclass on how we can do prompt engineering on IBM Cloud. So that will be your first masterclass. I'm very excited to take you on this amazing journey of prompt engineering, and we'll do it on IBM Cloud. See you tomorrow. Thank you so much. If you have any queries, you can ask on the email. All right. So PPT will be sent on the email, and it will be also sent on the WhatsApp groups. Okay. Uh, so yeah, I think I was not sharing the screen, but nonetheless, I'll share with the PPTs. It will help you out. Also, the recorded videos will help you out. All right, thank you so much. Those who have an issue, please reach out to the team on WhatsApp and on email after this. Uh, to get the code, you will receive the PPT, and you will follow the steps after that. Okay. Also, you will get the recorded lectures